Okay, so at the moment I've got this equation which is in terms of sine and cos. And as I said, that's not all that good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Pythagorean identity, which says that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. It's going to let me write it. There we are. Okay, so I'm going to rearrange so it says sine squared theta equals, so that I don't have to have any signs in the equation anymore. So I'm just going to take away cos squared theta on both sides. Sine squared theta equals 1 minus cos squared theta. So I'm going to sub that in over here. Okay, that's going to give me minus 4 out the front of 1 minus cos squared theta. And then we've got plus 4 cos theta plus 4 cos squared theta. Expanding out this first bracket here, I've got minus 4 times 1, which is just minus 4. Minus 4 by minus cos squared theta, which makes plus 4 cos squared theta. And then plus 4 cos theta. And then plus 4 cos squared theta again. I've got 4's all over the place. But that's okay. Well, we'll just keep on plugging away at this. So that's equal to negative 4 plus 4 cos theta. And I'm going to group these two terms together. So 4 cos squared theta and 4 cos squared theta makes 8 cos squared theta. Okay, we're actually nearly done here. So we've got the equations all in terms of cos theta, which is pretty nice now. We want the maximum, so let dA d theta equal 0. Now if dA d theta equals 0, that means 0 equals 8 cos squared theta plus 4 cos theta minus 4. The first thing I would suggest doing is dividing everything by 4. So 0 equals 2 cos squared theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do to solve this is I'm going to just make it so that cos squared, well, you know, cos is basically x in this case, okay? So I'm just going to say let cos theta equal, I don't know, let's use a letter we haven't used yet, t. Okay, so what we actually have is 0 equals 2t squared minus t, oops, it's meant to be plus t, and then minus 1. This is just a quadratic equation to solve, so we just factorize it using old factor law. So that's going to give 0 equals, I need two things that multiply to give 2t squared, which is just going to be 2t and t. Two things that multiply to give negative 1, so it's going to be plus and minus, and, well, potentially the other way around. I should be a little bit careful of that. But yeah, we will definitely have a plus and a minus involved. So I'm thinking that if we have 2t times positive 1 and t times negative 1, then together that's going to make it so it's just plus t. So that's going to be our answer. If we sub the cos theta back in, that means 0 equals 2 cos theta minus 1, and then cos theta plus 1. So the null factor law tells us that cos theta equals half, or cos theta equals negative 1. So there are two possible solutions here. Now the thing is, for cos theta to equal negative 1, the angle would have to be 180 degrees, or pi radians, which just isn't going to be possible in this diagram here. Okay, so if it was pi, then we would be actually just going straight back along there, and we wouldn't be making a trapezium anymore. So we can actually reject that solution. Okay, this one is no good. So we are just working with this, and I'm going to have to finish this in the next video.